Hi, Varadarajulu.
Hi ma'am, good evening, very welcome.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine ma'am.
This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes,
Before starting that, congratulations for the placement, Varadaraj.
thank you so much ma'am.
Introduce about yourself and about your native.
Better to support that my course of I'm plus IDM I'm taking the course. So in that plus IDM course, it is very useful to gain the knowledge and placement also. So Siddhartha Engineering College, my native place is Anantapur.
Okay. Like, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
So I'm searching for online platform, social media platforms.
Okay, social media platform.
Then I discussed with my friends and I'm come to join in CMTI.
Okay, that's nice. Like, which course you have chosen? Which course you have joined?
Team plus IDM.
Okay. How was the training support?
So it's well, it's all good.
Okay. Like, which mode you have joined? Like, did you came for offline hybrid? Which mode you have chosen?
I'm from hybrid mode.
Okay. So, how was the online sessions conducted for you?
Yes, ma'am, that structural sessions and BIM AutoCAD sessions and 3D session in designs are well made. But more, it is very useful to us and they clarify our doubts and at the time at the live sessions also. Our class మధ్యలో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ అయినా కూడా ప్రతిదీ సార్ వాళ్ళు రైజ్ చేసిన వెంటనే డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ చేశాను ప్రతిదీ విత్ బెటర్ నాలెడ్జ్ తో అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోవాలి.
So, how was the coordinator support? Like, for the online sessions and all, how was the coordinate support and the link and all? How you used to get the links for the classes?
మేడం వన్ టైంలో రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారు మేడం ఏదైనా అడిగిన వెంటనే మేడం లింక్స్ కానీ ఏమైనా క్లాసెస్ టైమింగ్స్ కానీ విత్ టైంలో మేడం పోస్ట్ చేసి మాకు మెసేజ్ అనేది చేస్తారు.
Okay. What all new topics you have learned in interior and BIM?
BIM means structural and architectural and IDM means basic of interior design, material calculations and reading of drawings you have learned.
Okay. What are the softwares you have covered?
Revit and AutoCAD.
Okay. How was the trainer supports for the softwares?
So it is good.
Okay. Like, how was the placement procedures for you?
I attended 2 more interviews. My placement procedure means it may take around 30 minutes. They will ask technicals and about personal interest, self-introduction, what the interest, what the role, what the works are being happening in that company. So what is the process and they work in that company.
Okay. Which role you have selected for?
Measurement exhibition role.
Okay. I think you are happy with the placement and the role which you have got.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
Okay. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
I'm also refer to my friends and other friends also, other college friends also.
Okay. Thank you, Varadarajulu, for the feedback. Have a bright future.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Congratulations for the placements.
Once again, thank you.
Thank you, Varadarajulu.